Hello, everyone. Good day to you all. For today, I am recording a short video tutorial, and I am actually taking up a training on a head app called Is the Product Ad an Exact Match? It's an English version. For this one, I would just like to inform you all of the guidelines. Let's pull it up for you, everyone. It's the project overview. It's about when a user performs a search, they expect the search engine to understand what they want and return product ads that satisfy their requirements. Your responses will help us improve the quality and relevance of the product ads displayed to users. The task will be, is the product ad an exact match to the query? In the tool, you will see a query, a word or phrase typed by a user into the search engine and a product ad. So for example, the first one, it'll be a Nikon camera. For this one, we'll say it's an exact match, as you can see. Here are the samples of the exact match. Let's say they search for iPhone 12 silver, and the request returned an new i new Apple iPhone 12. This is an exact match on the product, and the attributes will be the model and the color. All right. So Men's red and black jacket. This is an exact match. Looking at the attributes, it's for men, and the color is red and black. So blue dress is an exact match. If you look at the attributes, it'll say color blue, and that's it. And Gucci bag, it's an exact match. Attribute refers to Gucci. Okay. Now we go to non-exact matches. So the customer or the user performed a search query and they typed in iPhone 11 and the result was iPhone 12. Attributes, it's iPhone 11 versus iPhone 12. So this one will fall under non-exact matches. And the same goes with the man's red jacket, and it returned a black and red jacket. So it is not a good match. Blue dress size 10. Dress size not stated in ad, so can't be sure of exact match. So it's a non-exact match. For the Gucci bag, the product does not show which Gucci product the user wants, or we cannot be sure of an exact match. Now, these thing here only refers to the brand, and it does not uh, talk about what particular Gucci product the customer is searching for. Like it could be, a Gucci handbag or a Gucci pants. All right. So let's go back to the training. So for this one, round up. These are the results. So for this one, I chose non-exact match, and I got a correct answer. Let's move on to the next. Target printers. So this one says target printers, but the attributes of the result is a Brother Wireless all-in-one inkjet printer. So this is going to be a not exact match for me. Let's give it a try. There you go. The reason behind this is it should be a target printer, but the result pulled up a Brother Wireless all-in-one inkjet printer. So that's all good. Click OK. So let's pull this up. DIY gun rack. So wooden gun rack, single gun wall display, natural golden oak, walnut stained. Uh, if we look at the attribute, it says something like DIY gun rack. That is the search query. But the attributes here, it'll say wooden gun rack. Uh, we wouldn't be able to really say if this is going to be an exact match. Let's go back to here. I would choose this one as a not exact match. There you go. We got it. So query again is Sonoma Life and Style Plaid Flannel Sheets. Um, it, the result was a Sonoma Goods for Life Ultimate Performance Wallace Plaid Rug. Um, it's looking for a sheet, a flannel sheet, and the result returned something like a performance Wallace played rug. So based on the attributes, this will be a not exact match. All right. So Paul Frederick clothing. It is a clothing. The result seems to be a clothing. It's actually a coat, but it does not specify anything. Like, but I would say this is an exact match. All right. Okay, well, that's all for the training. This is really short, but the idea behind this tutorial, or my goal is, to help you out um, with isolating and solving the problem and what to look into when you try to work on this particular task from UHRS. Again, the name of this task is the product add an exact match, and you have to really look into the attributes of the result and what is on the query. That's how you work on these type of UHRS hits. Now, if you do have any questions, please feel free to comment down below, or you can find me in the ClickWorker Philippines group. I am the admin for that particular group. You can join it. But prior to joining, you have to subscribe to this tutorial channel and send a screenshot over to me. But anyways, I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching.